What is going on, everybody? It is ZDB Shoes here, and today I am back yet again to do another unboxing video for Supreme Week 3. Now, I picked up by far the most items I picked up so far this season in Week 3 because they were just a little bit easier to come by. I ended up wanting more of these items, and I mentioned the items that I got in another video. I think 2 videos ago, I told you guys the items that I got, so I'm not gonna go over that again until I open them up in this video. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And yeah, guys, let's do it. So first thing is this, and it is, let's see, I have 2 bubble mailers, and this one is light, so I have a feeling I know what this is, but let's see if I am right. All right, guys, sorry about that. Having some technical difficulties here. Had to go grab my knife. My cat knocked my camera over. It is just not going well over here, but I think I'm making some progress. So, and that is what I thought it was. But there's a lot of other stuff in there. So, firstly, the Supreme Post-it notes. And I got 2 of them. I got 2 orders of them. It comes with basically 5 of the little re-pullable things. I don't know how many is in each little stack, but it comes with 5 stacks. So I got 10 stacks in total. I don't think I'm actually gonna be using these anytime soon. I might eventually end up using them when I wanna show off my Supreme hype beastness someday. But for now, I am just going to put them on display somewhere or just put them up somewhere. I really do like this. I like how they basically did the box logo Post-it note with the Supreme logo right in the middle. And I like how red they did it. I was worried that since it was a Post-it note, a lot of times the printing on these gets really faded and really light, and these are still really dark red. So I do like these, and like I said, another good Supreme item. But we have some more stuff in here that I wanted to show you guys. I actually ended up getting another one of the scratch off stickers. So I guess they're not as rare as I had thought. Maybe they are putting these out a lot in a lot of bags, but there's that. And here is the banner sticker that was on the t-shirt that they released a couple weeks ago. So there's that. And then here is, oh, this is pretty neat. So it's like a backwards, says new ship from Supreme, authorized dealer, and Supreme in the middle, but it's like backwards. That's really neat. I really like that. It's got like a globe on the back and it says Supreme, and it's kind of like the, I don't know what you'd call that. It's not an arc logo. It's more of like a globe logo, I guess. I really like this sticker. It looks really vintage, and I would definitely use this sticker first out of any of the stickers that I've gotten so far. So, and the other item that came in this box that I'm really interested in is the free item that they were giving out that week. I don't know if it's all of this season or just that week, but it's the Army Man, the Army Parachute Man. And it's just a really cool toy that they're giving out free with a bunch of orders. I really like this because I used to play with these when I was a kid, and obviously when Supreme does something and it's a cheap item, you can never go wrong getting it. Even if you didn't want it, they'd be giving it to you because they're sending it out in like almost all of the orders. Okay guys, let's move on to the next heavier bag, bubble mailer I should say. And since these are 3 separate orders, so it looks like I'm gonna end up with 3 separate sets of stickers and 3 separate sets of the Army Men. Anyway guys, so here is the flashlight. I forget, the Nightcore is the brand. So it's the Nightcore, and honestly, I expected this to be a lot bigger. I don't know why. I knew it goes on your keychain. I expected it to be a lot bigger. I am not gonna take it out of the package right now. Let me see if it works inside the, no, it charges, so that's cool. It charges through USB, so you don't need batteries or anything. And then you just put it on your keychain and use the light whenever you need it. For me, it'll probably be using it in bathrooms that don't have lights. And now you guys are probably thinking, this guy is crazy, he goes in bathrooms that don't have lights. Trust me, It has happened before. It doesn't happen often, but when it happens, you are going to be wishing you had a light on your keychain. Life tips from ZDB Shoes. Remember that. All right, guys, let us move on to the next sticker. And I got yet another scratch off sticker. So I have 3 of these now total, and I'm definitely going to be scratching one off now because it seems like they're sending them in every order. And another globe sticker. Definitely going to be using one of these now because I have 2 of those. No need to keep one on ice. And then, like I showed you guys in the last video, I already have one of these. So I don't really like this sticker though. I don't know what I would put it on. Free sticker, can't really complain. And then our second Army Man. So pretty standard bag there. Nightcore keychain. Like I said, it's a pretty cool keychain. I always go for they had like a rainbow color and a red color. I always go for the red color because it's Supreme. Oh, it's pretty neat too. It looks like this thing has a mode switch, so it probably has like different flash modes and things like that. So that's pretty neat. Maybe if you get lost in the woods and you need an SOS function, there you go. So Supreme might save your life someday. Anyway, guys, let's move on to the box. You guys might already be guessing what's in here because I mentioned it in the other video. But anyway, let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. All right, guys, and if you haven't figured it out already, it is the paddle set. So it says butterfly on the side, box logo on the front. Well, and it is not very easy to hold. So I would open this up, but I don't know what the resale is going to be like. I would imagine, like most accessories, it's not going to go for much in the future, so I probably should just open it up, show it to you guys, but I'm too much of a hype beast to do that. This video gets enough views, likes, comments. I know that I don't have barely any subscribers, I have barely any views on the daily, but let's say if this video gets 25 likes, I'll open this up and maybe try to play table tennis with it, even though I don't have a table to play table tennis on, but we'll figure something out if you guys can get this video to 25 likes. I know that sounds very coming from me because I barely have any views and any subscribers, but I figure that's one way to get more people to view my videos, although there are probably people that have already opened this up and you guys probably know what it looks like. So anyway, but if you guys want to see me open this, then get it 25 likes. If you guys want me to give this away to you, get this thing to 1,000 likes. I know that's never gonna happen, but if it does, then I'm gonna be super happy and I would be happy to give it away to someone in the comments. Anyway, guys, let's see what else I've got in this lovely package. Got a lot of paper. Army Man in this one, surprisingly. Another banner sticker, another globe sticker, and another scratch off sticker. So the scratch off stickers, I have 4 of those now. So end up having a wealthy collection of scratch off stickers before all is said and done when I'm buying all these Supreme items. Out of all the stuff I bought, I think the last week of spring summer 19, I got a box logo sticker, and that is the only box logo sticker I've gotten this year. All the other ones have been the ones that I've shown you guys recently because I haven't bought Supreme in forever, so I've only gotten 1 box logo sticker this year. Although, I mean, these are box logo stickers, but they're scratch offs, I guess, just to make it a little more interesting. So anyway, guys, like I said, if you want to see me open the table tennis, then get this video to 25 likes and I'll do that. Also, I have an exciting video that's going to be coming up not too soon, but within the next maybe couple weeks or month or so. I'm hopefully going to be buying a shelf, and I think I have enough Supreme Bape-ish items now to kind of make a Hypebeast shelf, Hypebeast wall kind of thing. So I'm probably going to be making a video on constructing that. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know down in the comments. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys soon again for another video. Peace.